Gross.
Is you honey?
Yes.
Only those who eat honey will get chocolate in the afternoon.
Yum. Okay, I'll eat. Oh, this is gold.
Wow.
No.
Khadija, where are you?
So pause the recording. Okay. So this would be a virtual ride, okay? And what you have to do on the virtual ride is you have to grab something, okay? You have to fasten your seat belt, okay? You have to grab something, fasten your seat belt, and what you have to do is, one thing for sure is you have to shout, you have to scream. Can you scream and shout? Yes, yes, exactly like this. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and this is a 3D video. You have to grab something, and as the ride is going on and as the ride is moving, you have to scream and shout. Okay, please show me how you're going to shout.
It will be like real or not?
It's a 3D video. Okay, you have to just enjoy as it is going. You have to move. Okay, and you have to scream and shout. Let's see how many of you can do it. Okay. Okay, are you all excited? Please show me your excitement quickly. Yay! Umayma, unmute yourself. Umayma, unmute yourself immediately. And shout, scream. Oh, Abdullah is there to rescue. Abdullah, is Umayma not able to unmute herself? Okay, we'll start. Umayma, can I start?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So grab something quickly, grab something. Okay, and fasten your seat belt. Can you see my screen? Just show me a thumbs up or shout. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we are going on a ride. Grab yourself and be ready to scream, okay? Come on. Quickly sit on the ride. Shout, 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 shout. Quickly. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Move around, move around. We are going up. was the ride? How was the ride? Quickly.
Ma'am,
Very slow.
Very slow.
Wait. Umar, speak. It was very slow.
Yes.
Ah, it was very slow.
It was hanging.
It was?
It was hanging.
It was hanging. Ah, but it was not exciting. Do you want to go to Imagica now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do exciting roller coaster. Do exciting roller coaster.
Ah, you want more exciting roller coaster because it was a virtual roller coaster. We will go on a real roller coaster, and I want to hear all of them scream. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Umaima said it's super slow. Yes. We'll see when she'll go on the real roller coaster. We'll see how she will react. Okay, Umaima. Okay. So hope you enjoyed the ride. And now I have planned an activity for you all. But we will do this activity in the end. Okay, everyone.
So what will we do now?
We will learn something and then we will do it, okay? Because it involves glue and everything. After that, then we will wash the hand and the session will be over, okay? Yes, tell me. Yes, Manha.
I didn't go in roller coaster, but I go to wheel.
Where you had gone?
Giant wheel.
Giant wheel. Yes. We have a giant wheel in Nerul as well. Do you know that? Where?
No.
We have a
Yes.
giant wheel in Nerul. Just exactly opposite to Khatija's house, right, Khatija? Yes?
Yeah.
Which park is that, Khatija? Yes, and Wonder Park. Yes, we all will go to Imagica together, okay? Okay, once this Golden Sparrow will
Well,
start.
ma'am.
Yes?
Right there.
Inshallah, maybe by January, okay? And then we'll all go to Wonders, sorry, not Wonders Park, Imagica.
Ma'am.
Yes, Miss Fira.
Okay, Magica is in Pune.
I have a magical ticket.
Ah, you still have a Imagica ticket. Can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes. Ma'am, can you make it bend? Yes.
What happened?
That's it.
Umaima, I can't hear you properly.
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Can you see the screen? What is on the screen? Please tell me quickly.
We can change the shape of the material.
Okay, but what is there on the screen? What picture can you see on the screen? Clay. Okay. Now I'm just stopping my screen. Okay. Now tell me, can we change the shape of the clay? We did it last time, right? What we made last time with the clay?
Yes.
Octopus. Okay. Now I have a clay with me. I don't want you all to bring the clay, but tell me, can we change the shape of the clay? And what action you are going to apply on it?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
what action you are going to apply on it? See, what action I'm applying? Tell me. Squash. Okay. One by one. Okay. One by one now. Okay. Ali, tell me what action you are going to apply on the clay. Squash is already over. Can you?
Twist.
Twist. Okay. This is twist. Okay. I'm twisting. My clay has become really hard. Okay. So I'm not able to twist. Otherwise it will break. Okay. Twisting. And what else?
Stretch.
Who said stretch? Okay, Musfira Rizwani said stretch. Okay, one more thing. What is left? Khatija, you tell me. Wow, that's nice, Umar. Okay, only Khatija will tell me. What is this, Khatija? What am I doing? Khatija, what am I doing? Khatija, see, can you see my screen now? What I have done to the clay? Bend. Okay, bend. Very nice. Okay, now Umaima, Musfira, Syed, and Mustafa. Be ready, okay? All with M. No, only Umaima is with you. Okay, Musfira, Syed, Mustafa, and Umaima. Okay, be ready. I will show you my screen. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. See, it's not moving ahead. I'll just try one more time. Okay. After that. Yes. Yes, Manha.
Ma'am, what we are doing today?
We are going to make a card. Okay.
We go to jungle also, na? We are
Going to jungle.
Yes. Ma'am, we are going to what? Nocturnal animal, diurnal
Ah,
animal.
yes, that is called as animal safari. Okay, animal safari.
Ma'am, what we are going to make today?
Today I will tell you, Umar. But you have all the materials ready, Umar?
Yes, I have blue check pen, blue.
Okay, very nice, very nice. I will discuss that with you all. Okay, so can you see the screen
I
now?
have to take glue also.
Yes, yes, even glue and scissor. Okay, so can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Everyone, what is there on the screen now? Okay, okay. Now tell me, I have a paper with me. What was it? I have a paper. Okay. Now where is
Ma'am,
not there?
ma'am, I cannot see your face.
You
Ma'am,
can't
I
see my
cannot
screen?
see your face.
Is it all right? Now can you see me? Now can you see me? No? Mustafa, unmute yourself. Zainab, tell me, can you see my screen? Not my screen, but can you see my video?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Musfira, Rizwani, can you re-log in again, please?
Yes.
Please re-log in again quickly. Okay. Mustafa, be ready. Mustafa, how can you change the shape of the paper?
We can bend it.
Okay, we can bend it. And who else
We
was
can
there?
also
Umaima and
twist
Musfira Syed. Musfira Syed, please turn on your screen. See, I bend it. Mustafa, you said I bend it. Okay, I can bend this. Musfira Syed, tell me what else I can do with this paper?
Twist.
Okay, Ali said twist. Yes, I can twist this paper and change the shape of the paper. Musfira Syed, what else I can do with the paper?
Squash.
Squash. Okay, squash. Okay, very nice. But can I stretch?
No.
Umar, can I stretch, Umar?
No. If you will stretch the paper, it will not stretch because it will tear.
Yes. If I will try to stretch the paper, it will tear. So I can't stretch the paper. Okay. Is it all right? Everybody understood? Let's see the third picture. Okay. Let's see the third picture.
I
What is it?
can see your video.
And what is first picture?
The first picture was clay. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Now can you see my...
You are going to.
Okay. Can you see this? Can you see this? What is this? What is this? What is it? Tell me quickly.
It's a pen. A pen.
What is it?
Pen.
Weapon. Did you say weapon?
No, bartan.
Bartan, utensil. Yes, utensil. A handi. Okay, big handi. Okay. Can I change the shape of the handi? I don't have it.
No.
No. Why? Why I can't change the shape of the handi? Musfira Rizwani. Because it is iron. What is the proper word for it? Why I can't change the shape?
Because it is steel.
It is steel. but I have taught you some word, okay? Flexible and rigid. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. It is a rigid material, okay? So handi is a rigid material. I can't change the shape of the material. But there is one more way where by which I can change the shape of the material, okay? By maybe hammering it very hard. Okay, Mustafa, if you don't have the things, that's all right. But you can still use newspapers, okay, Mustafa? Hmm? Yes.
Paper.
Yes.
Paper.
Okay.
Sketch.
Sketch pens. Okay. I will tell you, Manha, that.
You.
Okay. I will tell you. We'll discuss this in detail. Okay. Let me complete this. Okay. So now I can't change the shape of the handi. Zainab, please come on the screen. Can I change the shape of the handi?
No.
Why no? Why no?
Because it's a rigid material.
Because it's a rigid material, okay? I can't change the shape of the
It
material.
is a rigid material.
Yes, it's a rigid material. But if I can hammer, then what will happen? Then will I be able
Then
to change?
it can change.
Yes.
It can change.
Yes, then you will be able to change it. Or maybe if I will heat that material, then I will be able to change the shape of the material completely.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but ma'am, I have one question.
Okay.
We cook on the fire, so why does not change material?
Yes, not that. You have to heat it really well on a very high temperature, okay? That we will learn it later on. But with squashing, bending, pressing and twisting, I cannot change the shape of the handi, okay? That's all right. Ali, did you get it? Why I am not able to change the shape of the material? Yes?
Material.
Okay. Now, do you have your science textbook with you all?
I don't.
Do you have science textbook? Yes, you have?
But I don't bring.
Okay, so can you all go and get your science textbook? Quickly. We will do, okay, Khatija has it. Zainab, do you have it? Ali, Umar, do you have it with your pencils, okay? With your pencil and erasers. Mustafa, don't worry, we will discuss about it, okay, Mustafa? We will find some solution to
The
make
melting thing was my idea.
Oh, melting thing was your idea. Okay, you can melt, okay?
Ma'am?
But you can't do that at home, right?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, good. Now I will show you something on the screen and you have to tell me, okay? Okay. This again gets stuck. I really don't know.
the page number?
I will tell you the page number, okay? So the page number is, yes, Manha, the page number is 41. Can you see the page number 41? Yes. Please remove the page number 41. Zainab, Musfira Sayyed, Manha, Umaima, Musfira Rizwani, on page number 41. Can you see the fill in the answer boxes using the word in the word? Can you see that?
Which page?
Page number 41, Ali. Okay, so
The word bank.
yes,
Has been done for you.
yes, Manha. So we are going to do that, okay, Manha?
And pressing bank.
Okay, so now see the second question. The first one is being done for you, okay? When we sit on a question, it is changed by what? When we sit on the question, what happens? Whether it gets twisted, bent, squash, or yes, tell me. Cushion is your pillow. Cushion is the pillow, okay? When we
Ma'am, you have to write?
No, I will tell you when to write, Umar. Yes.
It's written.
Where is it written? On page number 41. Musfira Rizwani on page number 41. Okay. The first question is, yes. The answer is already given. It's squash. Okay. So we will go on the second question. Okay. A horseshoe has to be made by. Okay. What action has been applied over here? Can you tell me? Twist, squash, stretch, or bend? What can we apply? Okay.
What is the question?
What is the question? Wait. Umar and Umaima, you have understood, I think so. Where? Yes, I'm not asking about plastic bottle. What is this? This is a horseshoe. Can you see the horseshoe on the screen? Musfira Syed? Yes. So what action I'm going to apply to make a horseshoe? Tell me. You have to choose from squashing, bending, stretching, or twisting. See, can you see that? Can you see the curve? Yes. Bending. Yes, very nice. Khatija, did you understand? Manha, so you have to write. Yes, I heard that Musfira Rizwani told me bending. Okay, so you have to write bending. Okay, bending in the space below. Okay, can you write bend? Quickly write bending. Question number 2. Quickly write bend. B-E-N-D, bend. Can you see my screen? It's already written. B-E-N-D, bend. Yes.
In second, we want to write.
Yes, in the second space, we have to write bend, where it is written horseshoe. Okay, horseshoe has to be made by bending. Okay, yes. Yes.
Bending.
You wrote very nice. Yes, Manha wrote. Zainab, have you finished? Umar, did you finish writing bending? Yes. Bending, second question. See, it's written. Yes.
I didn't get my book.
You didn't get your book? Okay, that's all right, Zainab. We will do it later on. Okay, that's fine. It should be in your cupboard. Khatija, have you written? Mustafa, have you written? Ali, have you written? Okay, we'll go to the next question now. Bend. You have to just write bend. B-E-N-D, bend. And on the second question, where it is written, page number 41, where it is written, a horseshoe has to be made by.
Bringing those try in an example of. I know what.
Okay. Now, if you want to dry a towel, okay, if you want to dry a towel, what action you will apply? Quickly tell me.
Twisting.
If I want to dry a towel,
Twisting.
if I want to dry a towel, what will I apply? What action I will apply? Tell me. Twisting. Okay. Show me the action twisting. Twisting. Okay. So you have to quickly write twisting over there. Zainab?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I wrote the fourth question.
Okay.
I
Did
wrote
you-
the fourth question too.
Yes.
Okay. So quickly, if you can write, jaldi se quickly write twisting. Okay. Twisting. And it is written down. You have the option down. Okay. You can see the spelling. Twisting. Okay.
Where is right?
It's written
Ma'am,
down.
I
See?
don't need spelling. I know every spelling.
Wow. Very nice. Twisting.
We make an
Twisting. Okay.
elastic band longer
Very good.
by.
Khatija, I can't see your video. Khatija, come on the
Elastic
screen. Have you written? Zainab, whatever paper is available, you have to write on that. Okay. Okay, you have written. Umayma, Musfira, Rizwani, have you written? Manha, yes. Tell me.
Nice done.
Okay, very nice. Yes, Manha.
Mama.
Manha, I can't hear you, Manha, properly. Yes, Umayma, I can see you. Okay, very nice. Umar, Manha, Mustafa, if you can write, just quickly write. Okay.
Done, ma'am. All.
Okay, very nice. Okay, Musfira. Yes.
And can I drink water?
Yes, you can drink water quickly. Go. Yes, Manha. Page 41. Ali, page 41. It's all right. If you can't write, I will give you it on a Google Classroom. Everyone has to. Huh? What? Spelling 41. Page number 41. Even spelling is written. Ali, even spelling is written down. You have to just choose the word, which is the correct word for the blank. Okay? That you have to do. Okay. It's done. Okay, very nice, very nice. But whoever cannot do it, they have to do it later on. Umar, you have to upload on a Google Classroom, okay? Yes, Umar, well done. Umar, well done. Mustafa, Khatija, please turn on your screen. Yes. Yes, everyone has to upload on a Google Classroom, okay?
When will you write that up?
In the afternoon? In the afternoon? Okay. Yes, I can see that. Okay, Musfira, I can see that. Okay, now the fourth one is elastic.
Or science.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, in science classroom, okay? In science classroom. Yes, Manha, yes, Manha.
I know fourth one I can write.
Okay, so how can you make this elastic longer? What action you are going to apply? Zainab has to tell me. Okay, what action I'm going to apply? Stretching. Okay, so everybody write stretching. Okay, stretching. The option is already given. Stretching. Can you see stretching in the end? STRETCHING. Stretching. Okay. Okay, done. Is everyone done with this?
Yeah.
Okay, where is Ali? I can't see Ali.
Oh,
Oh, I can see you now. Okay, I can see you now.
Ma'am, I done.
Okay, now keep your books aside if you're done. Very nice, Manha, very nice. I can see. You have written it very well. Okay, Umayma is done. Mustafa is done. Okay, is everyone done? Give me a thumbs up if everyone is done. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
what we are making today?
Now I will tell you what are we making today. Can you see my screen? See?
Yes.
Can you see this? So we are making this card, okay, today for our mummies, okay, who work so relentlessly for us, okay. So we are making this card for our mummies, okay.
Ma'am, you should go out of this meeting because then you can't because then you are going to see Zainab doing it.
Yeah, oh, that I can't do, Maima. It's all right. Okay, so she can make it for her grandmother, okay? Zainab, you have to make it for your for your dadi. Is it all right? Okay, let's start, okay? We will not waste our time. Yes, because I am her mummy. Okay, do you have your tinted papers? A4 size paper? Please show me.
Yes.
Okay, what you have to do is you have to fold it into half, okay? Just fold it into half.
Ma'am, this one.
Yeah, yes, Musfira. Just fold it into half, okay? Can you see I have made it into half? Just show me everyone. And press it from the edge.
Like this or like this?
No, like this. See?
How?
Ma'am, see like this.
Vertically, not horizontally. Not vertical, horizontal. Okay, horizontal. From
Like
your
this?
breast. Yes, yes, Umar. Okay, can you do that? And just press it from the edge. Okay, just press it from the edge. Okay, done. Is everyone with me? Done? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, very nice, very nice. I can see that. And do you have a sketch pen?
Yes, I have blue color sketch pen.
Okay, just take your sketch pen. And what you have to do is, I will share my screen. Just see that. Okay, first just see that. Yes. Yes, you have the sketch pen. Yes, Manha, I can see that. Okay.
I will use blue sketch pen if you want to try.
Any color sketch pen will do. Any color sketch pen will do. Okay. Just
Blue.
I will use blue color.
I want to show you my screen. Wait. I will show you my screen so you will understand what you have to do. Okay. You have to make like a. You have to make like a branch. Wait. I'll just show you my screen first. Then we'll do it. Okay. 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 Can you see my screen now?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Wait. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. So what they have made is they have made a branch. Okay. So exactly we are also going to make a tree kind of branch. Only the branch part. Okay.
What color sketch pen?
You can take any color sketch pen. Okay.
I will take
Just take a dark color sketch pen. Any dark color sketch pen. Either black.
dark blue color sketch pen.
Ma'am,
Yes. I'll show you.
I
Yes.
don't want to make a branch, so I can make an envelope.
Envelope means
Ma'am, what do I have to do
I didn't get it, Mustafa. See,
after doing this?
can you see my screen video? Just a minute. I'll just do it with a pen. Okay. You can use pen. You can use sketch pen. Whatever you like.
Ma'am, I will use
I
brown.
can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Mustafa, what you don't want to make? You said
Hazyana?
yes.
Ma'am, what do you have to do
I don't
after
want to
folding the
I don't want to make the branch, so can I make an envelope?
Envelope. Okay. Yes, you can make an envelope. Okay. If you don't want to make a branches, you can make envelope, and then we will stick our color papers. See, can you see the branches? Can you see it?
See my branches.
Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Can you see? Can you all make like this?
This much dark, okay?
Show me, Umar. Yes. Fine. Absolutely fine. Okay. Can you see that? Even you all have to make branches like this. Okay. Did you all make
Now
the
we
branches?
want to stick it.
Yes. Wait. I'll show you how to stick it. Okay. Is everyone done?
I have only red and pink color on me.
Yes. Any two color will do. Any two color will do. Okay. Are you done? Okay. Now what you have to do is, I have two colors. Is everyone with me? I have two colors. Okay. I have two colors. Musfira, just fold your crepe papers. Fold your crepe papers like this, the way it was before. Can you just fold it? Yes, like this. Yes, Zainab, very good. Musfira, Khatija, yes. Okay. And I am going to cut a stripe. Okay. You have to make a branches. Musfira, you have to make a branch like this.
How we have to?
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, Uman. What you have to do is you have to cut into a stripe. Okay. See, I will show you.
How, ma'am?
See, like this. Can you see my stripes? Just one stripe is enough. Okay. Can you see this?
Okay.
Huh? Just keep your Musfira, listen to me. Musfira Dizwani, listen to me. You have to fold all your crepe paper. See, it is very long, but I have folded it. Just fold it. Very nice, Manha. Very nice. Now you have to cut your color papers. Okay.
I don't know.
Yes. You don't have, do you have a newspaper, Manha? Can you cut it into, yeah.
How much? How do we have to cut? How much do we have to cut this?
Just estimate and cut. Just maybe 2 fingers you keep it and then just cut it into a stripe.
So the whole thing, I mean, it's quite big.
Just fold it. Just fold it. Just fold it.
Okay.
And then just cut it like this. I'll just show it, Shamila.
Go ahead. Amina, go ahead.
Okay.
Just-
Okay.
okay.
Fine. So how many of these?
Just one stripe is enough. One stripe is enough.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Ali, are you able to do it, Ali?
I'm gonna make this card for you. I'm gonna make a card for you.
Okay. Manha, you have to just cut one stripe, okay? One stripe. Just one stripe. See, can you see that? Can you see my stripe? Can you see this? Just one stripe is enough. Yeah, yes, Musfira Sayyed. Very well, very well. Very nice, Khatija. Well done.
It's very small.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. And now you have to do the same thing, Manha. You have to do the same thing with the other color paper. Okay. The same thing. You have to cut a stripe again. The same stripe. Okay. Can you do that? Yes, Manha. Yes, Manha.
How to do?
Okay. Show me your newspaper. Show me your newspaper on the screen. Okay. Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to stripes. Can you keep your newspaper? Yes. From here. Yes. Very nice, Manha. Just cut it. Just cut it. Yes. Now keep it down, Manha, and cut it.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, how we cut it?
This.
Yes. Just fold it, Umar. Just fold it. Don't open. Just fold it. See, it's already pre-folded, Umar. Can you just fold it again? Yes. In any manner you want, just fold it.
Ma'am, how we want to do?
Musfira, did you cut a stripe? One stripe? Show me your stripe. Okay. Okay, very nice, Manha. Very nice. Musfira, have you cut the stripe? Show me. Show me your paper. Okay, very nice, Mustafa, I will tell you what to do.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes. Just cut a stripe. I just need a stripe, okay? A simple stripe, a line, a simple stripe. You can cut it in any manner. Or maybe you can just plug it. If you can't do this, at least just tear the paper. I just need this kind of a square. Can you see that? If you have a newspaper, you can cut newspaper. If you have a color paper, you can cut color paper. Can you do that? See? Khatija, we are not going to cut the another stripe. It's all right. Just one stripe is enough. Is it all right? Everyone? Ali, what happened, Ali? Okay. Just, Musfira, just tear it. Musfira, Sayyed, just tear it. Cut it into squares. Just tear it. It's all right. You don't have to cut it in a line. Okay. Yes. In any shape. And you have to roll it like this. Can you see that? Can you see?
Like this?
Yes. But this is too big. Musfira, cut it into half. Or make 4 pieces of it. It's too big, I think so. We just need this much. See, Musfira. Yes.
Ma'am, I have 8 pieces.
Yes. Now cut it into squares. Cut it into squares. See, can you see that? I have cut it into squares. See? Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes. Just make it small. Musfira Sayyed. Yes, Manha, absolutely perfect. Perfect.
After cutting into squares, what do you have to do?
Just make it square and roll it. Just square and roll it. Squeeze it. Squash it. Okay? And just keep it aside. Yes, Musfira Sayyed. Okay? Just tear it. Just tear it, make it square, squeeze and roll. Okay? Yes. Yes, Manha. How many you have to make? At least 10 to 15. Okay? Just roll it, cut it, roll it, and keep it aside. Ali, why are you not doing, Ali?
Don't know how to make a branch.
Okay, you don't know how to make a branch. See, can you see my branch? Just the lines. Just the lines. Ali, can you see? Just the lines.
Okay.
Okay, very nice. And who else? Can you make small balls like this? Musfira, are you able to do it? I want you all to do it on your own. Okay, very nice. Yes, Umar, you can just tear it with your hand. You don't have to use scissor as well. Just tear it and just squash it. Okay, but it should not be too big. Don't make too big balls. Okay, I want just small balls. Can you see it?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes. Umar, this is too big. Can you tear it into half and make a smaller ball? See, my balls are so small. Can you see that? Umaima, are you able to do it?
Like this?
Yes. Khatija, yes, perfect. Khatija, perfect.
How
Umar,
many have to make?
at least 10 to 15. Umar, 10 to 15. Just squash it like this. We will not use the other color. We'll just use one color, okay? I'm using red. Yes. What, Musfira? What you said? Okay. Yes, Musfira, just start rolling it. Musfira, just squeeze it, squash it, and roll it. You are done? Very nice. Very nice. Just wait for your friends. Okay? Mustafa, have you rolled the newspapers like this? See?
I made an envelope, ma'am.
It's all right. You are going to stick this on your envelope. Any shape. No, Musfira, no. You have to make a ball. Musfira, this is kind of a roll. You have to make a ball. See? You have to squish it, press it, bend it, whatever you like. Twist it. Yes. Now just squish it. Manha. Now see. I'll show you, Manha. See. I am squashing it, bending it. Yes, you have to squash, okay? And make it like a ball. Squash it. And make it like a ball. Can you see? Yes, Musfira. Okay, Mustafa Kazi, Mustafa, you have to make a ball. Small balls. Yes, very nice. Absolutely good, Manha. Good.
Ma'am, I'm not making balls.
You have to make balls. Mustafa, we are going to stick it on the envelope, okay, in your envelope.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, very nice. Musfira, Rizwani, Umaima, you all are done. Khatija, you all are done. We'll go to our next step. We will go to our next step, okay? I'm also done. Okay, now what you have to do is,
1 minute, ma'am. Let me make.
just as many as you can. 10 is enough. 10 is enough. 10 balls. Okay. So I have a glue with me. Okay. I have a glue with me over here. Okay. Yes. Fevicol or either glue, gum. You can take anything.
I have Fevicol.
Okay. So dip your finger in the glue. Dip your finger. Lift it. And Khatija, if you have a Fevicol, you can just directly apply spots. Okay. See, I'm applying spots on my branches, okay? On one branch, I will just apply 3 spots. Can you see that? 3 spots. Did you see that? I have applied a spot. Glue spot.
Ma'am, I have this glue.
Any glue will do. Any glue will do. Umar, any glue will do. Just put a little spot. Make a spot on your branches. Okay, can you do that? And I want you all to do it independently. Don't take help of your brother or your mummy. No, I want you all to do it independently. And yes. Now what you have to do is you have to just stick your crepe paper on that. Okay, wherever you have put the spot of the glue. Can you see that?
तो glue भी लगी.
Fevicol is much better. If you have Fevicol, that's better. Okay. You see, I'm finding it difficult to stick my crepe paper on the chart paper. Okay. Fevicol is much better if you can use Fevicol. Can you see how I have stick on my branches?
Only have.
Okay, that you can use. Just put little bit on the branches. Just apply it on the branch, okay? Only on the branch. And 2 to 3 spots is enough. See, can you see this? Can you see this? Mustafa, can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's very simple activity. I want you all to do it independently. Umar, are you able to do it, Umar?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Then inside you have to write, you are the best mommy in the world, okay?
Okay.
See, can you see this?
Nine balls. मैम आपने सुने क्या? क्या?
Okay.
तो send to our mother.
Yes, you have to give this to your mummy, okay? You have to write inside, you are the best mommy in the world, okay? You are the best mommy in the world. So don't show it to your mummy that you are making a card.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
I will tell you the
Don't
spelling.
say that loud. My mommy is just here.
Oh, don't show it to your mummy. Don't show it to your mummy. You are going to give an envelope. She already
She's
saw.
not even paying attention at this.
Then it is good. Mustafa, then it is good. You can secretly make it and then give her a surprise. What? Yes, Umayma? She didn't notice, right, Umayma?
Not in this.
Good, Umayma. Just make it secretly, and after this class, just present this to your mommy, okay? She'll be very, very happy. Okay, your mommy is taking class, right, Musfira? Are you done? Is everyone done?
1 minute.
Okay, take your own time. Yes, Musfira. Now you have to write, you are the best mommy in the world, okay? Very nice. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Now you have to just stick the balls. Just stick the balls. Yes, with the glue, just make little spots.
I have to
Yes, just put a spot on your branches, okay? Just 1 or 2 spots on your branches. Umar, have you made it? Are you done?
1 minute.
Who needs my help? Who needs my help?
Anybody, not anybody.
Ali, are you done? Ali? Show me your work. Can you see? You have to just apply few spots and just stick your balls on top of it. Just put some glue on the branch and then just stick your balls onto that. Are you done? Are you all done? Musfira, Rizwani, are you done, Musfira?
Now I'm making.
Who's making? You have to make it on your own, Musfira.
I am making all only.
Okay, very nice. You don't have to show it to your mummy, okay, Musfira? Khatija, are you done? Show me your work.
And it's not coming.
Just open the bottle. Open the bottle. Khatija, I want to see yours. Khatija, show me. Khatija, can you show me your work? Wow, that's looking really great, Khatija. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I think so. Wow, Musfira. Wow, that's great, Musfira. That's great. Umaima, show me yours. Wow. Oh, wow. Very nice. But you have filled too much of balls on the branches. You have to reduce the balls. Okay. Very nice. Just put few spots on the branches. Okay. Okay. So I think so everybody understood the activity. So now I'm closing the meeting so that you can just complete. What happened? Just open the bottle, Manha. It's not opening.
Opening.
Yes. Just dip your finger into the bottle. Yes, now it's fine, Umaima. Fine. Good, Umaima. Good. Very okay. Now what I want is now you all take a break. Just complete your activity and post this in Google Classroom. Okay, everyone. Can you all do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye everyone. Bye. Try to complete it, Umar. I want to see your artwork. Okay.
I'm working on it.
Bye,
You
ma'am.
can just work on it. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Complete it. Okay. And 12 o'clock you have a
Yes.
boxing class.
Ma'am,
there.
the balls are not so compulsory, right?
What is not so compulsory?
The balls.
Balls. Okay. If you don't want to make balls, it's all right, Mr. That's all right. Okay.
Can I color my envelope?
Yes. Color the envelope and send it to me on Google Classroom. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye.